everyone, and welcome back to another NCLive tutorial. I love showing you guys the different resources that are available through NCLive. There are so many wonderful, wonderful things available, and not all of the stuff that's available is for adults. There are stuff for kids and teens too. It's wonderful. It crosses ages, and the one that I'm going to show you today, the resource I'm going to show you today, is for children. I mean, of course, adults can access it too, but it's geared for children. And I'm going to show you how to access it and what is involved with it. So here on the home page, again, if we go to Books and More, go to the NCLive link, it pulls it up here. I am going to show you this one. If we go to Browse All Databases, here on the side, you'll notice that there are different subjects available. And one of those, if we hit Education and Teacher Resources, it narrows it down to the different resources that are available under that subject. And this one that we're going to talk about today is Just for Kids Streaming Collection. So parents, if you are looking for kid-friendly, family-friendly content, and you're just struggling to find something that's age-appropriate, this is going to be a perfect resource for you and your family. So we're going to click that, Just for Kids. Now, again, if you're accessing this from home, when you click that, it's going to take you to a page where you have to type in your library card number. But once you do that, it's going to bring you here to the home page. And you'll notice, as we scroll through, that there are different videos available for children, including Franklin the Turtle. Sorry, I love Franklin. Franklin's amazing. But there are different shows, different clips, different things available. Some of it's going to be things like this, where it's a zoo, it's a nature documentary style, perfect for children. There are things like the Franklin Show and the Arthur Show that are based off of children's books. There are things like Sesame Street, which we all know, PBS, all sorts of different things available, all for free for your children to access anytime from home. And you can come up here to the top to this, to where these bars are, see the different subjects that are available to help you figure out something for your child to watch. Again, nature things. It's got early learners if you want something for your young children. PBS, you can click that, and it's going to give you the videos that fall under PBS. All sorts of wonderful, wonderful things. And you just click on it, click on one, and it takes you to the video.
PBS Kids opens worlds of possibilities for all children. Thanks.
So it's just a wonderful resource. Again, if you've got children and you just want to make sure that they're accessing the age-appropriate, family-friendly content that you're looking for, this is a wonderful resource and will help you do that. So I hope that this gives you another something that your children can access. I hope that you enjoy it. Lots of great things on here. And I hope to see you in our next NCLive tutorial. Thanks so much.